Programming or coding is recorded as one of the tough jobs as it involves very hard work, commitment, and long sitting in front of the laptop or PC. But at the same time, it is a lot of enjoying job as well. Programming increases the creativity, problem handling, problem solving, and technique and tackling ability. It diversifies our thinking and improves our problem solving skills. To become a good coder, good programmer, you need a lot of practice. Practice makes a man perfect. The more you get your hands dirty in the coding stuff, writing codes, trying codes, the more you will learn, the more you will become proficient. Now to become more at good at programming, more good at coding, to become a more good programmer, good coder, Educate Me brings you three great websites where you can learn programming in the easiest way and at the same time practice coding to enhance your skills. Welcome to Educate Me Academy. Educate Me is a social initiative to make this world a better place for everyone. Educate Me goal is the best quality and easily accessible education for everyone. Subscribe Educate Me to feed the hunger of learning and growth. Educate Me. Educate, inspire, help, and support. Now, the three great websites that will help you to become more good at programming, more good at coding, and to learn programming in the easiest way, and at the same time practice coding, practice programming to enhance your skills. Or the first website is Code Academy. Code Academy is a great website for all the beginners, for all the professionals, for all the programmers, for all the students who want to start programming as a career, who want to start programming as a course or as a career. So this is one of the greatest resource ever present on the internet. With the Code Academy, you can learn to code, and there is millions of code present to help you learn all these things. So these all the experience has been shared, and get where you are going fast with Code Academy. Started structured curriculum, practice smarter, one day one new skill, the human touch. So you can start here, and a large number of all the resources are present. You can check the catalog and you can learn to code, and at the same time you can practice it for free. You can learn by subject, like you can learn the web development, programming, data science. Also, there is a free, you can also learn the code of on free, or you can upgrade to pro to enjoy all the professional, the pro type, all the facilities provided by this website, by this Code Academy. And so you can learn web development here, you can learn programming, different programming languages here, and programming with Python, programming best, build front-end web application from scratch, build web APIs from scratch. So you can learn everything here, and you can at the same time test and practice here. So this is one of the great coding resources, programming resources, learning, and at the same time practicing programming to make you a good programmer, good coder, and to help you to start the programming as a career, to make this the passion of your being a programmer, being a coder, being a developer, and to turn it into a career, into an earnable, a lot of a great earnable career. The next website is code.org. Code.org, similar to the Code Academy, provide you different resources, different materials, different videos to help you learn different programming languages, with with focused on helping the lower class students, like the primary class students, KG students, to learn programming in the easiest way. And it has courses, it has all the learning material structure in a good way to help the student to learn programming in a good way, in the best way. And you can be for the students and for the educators, hard of code and get involved. So these are all different. material present here. You can learn, you can also teach here. Different projects are present here, and 30% of you students have accounts on code.org, and 900k teachers use code, or 10% of the world students have tried the hours of code. And you can start learning here. You can watch the video and you can sign in here, and learn the different programming languages, and at the same time you can teach, and at the same time you can practice here. Hours of code is available here to help you learning the programming and the coding in the best way. The next great resource for the programming, it is mainly based on the web development. The world largest web developer site is w3schools.com. Is a great programming resource for the beginners, and at the same time for the professionals to learn programming, to learn the web development. Mainly focus this is on web development in the best way. Here different lectures are present, different articles are present, and at the same time you can learn here and you can practice here. Like you can see here, learn, you can learn html, learn css, learn w3.css, learn colors, bootstrap, graphics, learn javascript, jquery, angular js, json, and ajax. You can learn SQL, PHP, Python, ASP. So different, a large number of web development code is present here. You can learn here, you can practice it here. So this is the third great programming resource for you, bring to you by EducateMe. So these are all the three great programming resources presented to you in this video by the EducateMe. You can, with these websites, with these great resources, you can learn the code. Also can, you can share your code here, and you can at the same time practice your code to enhance your skills, because practice makes a man perfect. Because and there is a lot of practice required in programming to be a good programmer, and to turn this programming passion, this learning into a career. You must need good practice, good hand-on practice. You need to get your hands dirty with all this programming, all this coding, to become a proficient programmer and to become professional in this field. So this is the one of the great educational resource video brought to you by EducateMe. EducateMe is a social initiative to make this world a better place for everyone, focusing on the education of the society. EducateMe goal is the best quality and easily accessible education for everyone. Subscribe to Educate Me to feed the hunger of learning and growth. Also like this video if you found this content, all this content shared in this video available one, and share it with your loved ones, because sharing is caring. You can also follow us on Facebook. We have a page with the name Educate Me. Educate Me, educate, inspire, help, and support. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next great educational resource video coming